I guarantee you that if you watch this video till the end, you will also be able to create the same 3D documentary videos for YouTube that are giving other creators millions of views. But before starting the video, a small request is to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. So let's start. The very first method is for those people who have never practiced writing prompts. You just have to go to Google and search for images according to your scene and download them. You will easily find every type of image. For example, right now, I am downloading a reference image according to my scene, and in the same way, you can also do it. After downloading the image, come to ChatGPT. Here on the side, you will see an option, GPTs. Click on it. In the search bar, type 3D documentary video. The first option that appears, click on it. This option is specially made for 3D documentary videos. If you want, you can also check its rating. Then click on Start Chat. Now two options will appear in front of you, one to upload an image and the other to write a prompt. We will upload the image and leave the type box empty, then click on Next. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a perfect prompt for your scene. Along with this, you will also get multiple variations from which you can choose the one you like. Right now, I am copying the prompt for my scene. Now to generate the image, we will use Imagen 4. This tool is paid, but don't worry, I will tell you the way to access it for free. For this, again, go to Google AI Studio. On the left side, you will see an option Generate. Click on it, then select Imagen. Now Google's official Imagen tool will open in front of you from where you can take unlimited access. On the side, you will see a tab where you have to select Imagen 4 Fast, because this is the best model so far and also gives accurate results. Below, you can select the ratio according to your need. Here I select 16.9 ratio. At the top, it will ask how many images to generate at one time, so I select 2. Now paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT and press the Run button. In just a few seconds, Imagen will generate 2 amazing images for you. After finalizing the image, download it. Now comes the second method. This is useful in situations when we don't get exact reference images for our scene from Google. In that case, again, come to ChatGPT. This time, select the second option and paste the prompt of your scene. Then click on Next. ChatGPT will give you multiple prompts. You can use any of them. I am again copying my main prompt and going back to Imagen to paste it. Now press the Run button, and you will see how realistic a scene it has generated, exactly the way you had imagined. That's why it is called the Imagen tool. Download this image as well. Now it's time to convert these images into a video. Again, come to ChatGPT and tell it to give me a prompt to convert these images into a video. Then click on Next. ChatGPT will give you the perfect animation prompt for every scene. Copy that prompt. To generate image to video, now we will use 2 tools and compare which results are the best. The first tool is Flow. Search Flow on Google. Open the first website and sign in. Below you will see a button, Text to Video. Click on it and then select Image to Video. Upload your image and paste the prompt copied from ChatGPT. Select the ratio as you like and click on Next. In just a few seconds, VEO3 will create an amazing video for you with sound. After the video is ready, download it. Now let's use the second tool, VEO2. Again, open Google AI Studio, click on Generate Media, and select the last option, VEO. Paste the same image and prompt here and press the Run button. This tool will also create an amazing video for you in just a few seconds. Here you can create up to 10 videos per day. Now check the final results of both tools. If you liked the video, then do subscribe to my channel Mr. Sham AI and tell me in the comments how you found the video. And if you want to learn how to make thumbnails using AI, then watch the video appearing on the left side completely. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.